Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to log out of your Delta application on your mobile device. To log out of Delta app, first of all open the Delta application. From the home page of Delta, go ahead and click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, click on the Logout button at the very bottom and confirm the logout by clicking on Continue with Logout. Soon after you do that, you will be logged out of your account, and this will also remove all data from the device, meaning you will need to sign in back again to restore your data. And that is how you easily log out of your Delta application by eToro in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.